What's going on, family? So I'm out here. We got a couple welders out here. I'm not using my rig, I'm using theirs. And these are what I'm doing. Welding these up. Pretty simple, not to perfection. We're using some big, these are 5/32 rods. So that way all you have to do is run one pass. That's what I'm doing. We got a lot of these to do. These wrap all the way around the building. So look like we'll be here on this contract for a little while. The guy said they got plenty to do, and they got another one like this one. So on these, I'm plugging all the holes in, just regular plugging them in. One well, one well, one well, one well, one well, one, and going with it. So that's what we doing today, man. We out here getting our hog on. Black finish.